right, it's 12:05. We're getting ready to get started. Hi, I'm Kayla McDonald, founder and CEO of Pure Genius Solutions, and I want to welcome you to the live stream or recorded live stream. Currently, I manage everything for the company with the focus on business development. My background is in marketing communications with about 15 years experience and a master's degree in internet marketing. I've helped dozens of entrepreneurs expand their business using marketing tools like email, social media, video conferencing, and web design because I believe digital marketing can be the best thing for your business. That's why I created Pure Genius Solutions because I wanted to help small business owners understand technology so that they can reach more customers and compete with national brands. And I hope that after today's live event, you'll have the courage to start using social media for business or reach out to me for support. Now, for the next 30 minutes or so, I'll explain our services, highlight available resources, and towards the end of the live, if there's anyone that has questions, I'll answer those questions. And please remember that most of what I talk about today is available on the website puregeniussolutions.net, and you can get even more detail by joining my email list. So let's talk about what overall my company does. Clients work with my team to make their idea, product, or service visible to online customers. I offer a variety of digital marketing services, which include domain names, hosting, website builders, and a service called reputation marketing, or what some would call local search. And let's dig deeper into what those things mean. So, domain name is a name that you, it's a custom domain name, ideally, that you purchase and that is really close to your business name. That way, if you want to create a website or mobile app or something of that nature, then you can connect those two. So when people type in the name of your website appears. Hosting is actually how the website is stored in the cloud, saying out there in the internet world. And then website builder is actually similar to what you see what a lot of national brands have, where it's a really easy to use. It's already a design that's created. You just go in and customize that template, to your liking, and you'll have a website really quickly. Some say in an hour. That's debatable, depending on what your level of computer skills are, but it is a really faster process. You don't have to have any knowledge of HTML coding with website builders. Just get on there, you purchase it, you make it, and you publish it to the web, and it'll be public for the world to see. The reputation marketing, also known as local search and a couple other things, is really making sure that your business name or the services that you provide will show up when online shoppers, are searching for that information. You can have the best product, can have the best service, you have the best idea, but you're really limited to the people if you're not on the internet. And that service is really where I help you publish your business name or your services on places like Google. You'll show up on Google. When people type in the name of your business, it'll pop up in the search results. You can click on it, it should show your picture if you have a physical location, or it'll tell where you're located. It'll tell what kind of services that you provide or product that you provide, where you're, like I said, how far away you might be. So on Google, on Bing, which is a Microsoft product that actually Facebook uses. So when you search something in Facebook, Facebook and Bing play nice together, and that's how you're able to find a lot more information on Facebook. A service called Yelp, where usually people go and get and find out more about a restaurant or physical location to see, what people have said in the past about it. Uh, that's another place, where we put that information in, and those are the more popular sites, and yellowpages.com. But there's like hundreds of those directory listings. It's like the modern day Yellow Pages, I call it. So that's the local search, and that's a more advanced service. And so, like I was saying, search engines and directory sites like Google, Facebook, and Yelp make it easier than ever to get found on the internet, meaning that your information will appear when someone types your company name or words related to your business, um, in the search bar or in the search area on their mobile phones, on their tablet, on their laptop, that sort of thing. And nowadays, with things like Alexa, um, and Google has its version of that as well. People are actually, instead of typing it in, they are actually speaking. So when you speak it into your phone, like Apple Maps, that's another map listing that'll be available with the local search product that we were talking about. Um, that information comes up, so it's really cool, and really you're able to reach a global audience. Really, people don't have to be in your neighborhood. As far as the return on investment, you're looking at 100 times more leads or potential customers that you can put your business in front of from the comfort of your home. You don't have to be in front of them physically. You don't have to know them personally. So that's really the power of the internet. And just as an example of how revolutionary just getting your business online is, Google, for instance, it gets 5 billion searches per day. 5 billion searches per day. So, you know, that's almost guaranteed that unless you are, spending a whole lot on advertising, you are not going to reach even close to that many potential customers. So Google, just being putting the business on Google Maps and things of that nature can really help get more exposure to your brand. So people will enter a combination of words, questions, or phrases like we're talking about, either by voice or by typing it in every second of every day just on Google alone. So social media is a game changer. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to spread your message. But some of you, I know you're not in the game. You're operating without a professional web presence, and you're losing customers to competitors that have that. So I'm gonna break that down just a little bit more. Your company information does not magically appear on the internet. It must be manually entered, claimed, and verified to become visible to online shoppers. And that's really important, core of the services that Pure Genius Solution provides. So I also have a private coaching program that gives clients one-on-one help with developing strategic marketing plans and learning the basics of how to use social media for business. A lot of clients in the past will say, I don't want to do it. That's what I got you for. And I always like them to understand that I'm not trying to make them become a marketing expert, but I do want them to know enough about social media that after working with me, they can confidently manage their own projects or hire the best marketing talent. Because as a small business owner, you still have to be the leader. And if you don't lead, you'll become part of the 99% of businesses that fail. So that's I really wanted to make sure you guys knew about the private coaching program. I'll be promoting that more as time goes on, but I just been perfecting it over time, and I really enjoy that one-on-one experience that I get with clients. So, in addition to the paid services that I offer, there's also the do-it-yourself resources, because some of you are advanced and you're confident about your skills online. So I have a blog where I talk about specifics about each area of internet marketing, because it's so broad. I went back to school thinking I was getting a specific degree, and then I found out how big the world of internet marketing really is. So that's why I found out, where my strong suits were, and I positioned myself, as you see here, really getting people started, um, getting their business online. Then I have a social media guide. It's really a blueprint. It's a short read. It's easy to follow, and it really outlines the value of using social media for business, and it provides you with free ways to promote your business. And it is downloadable. If you join my email list, you'll get a free downloadable copy, PDF of the social media guide. It's called the Small Business Owners Guide to Social Media, for a limited time. I don't know how long I'll have that available, because my goal is to transition and expand that information into a book that will be available for purchase within the next year. So I'm excited about that. So yeah, if you haven't got the social media, Small Business Owners Guide to Social Media, reach out to me, or on the Facebook page. It is available on the left, in the left panel, on the left bar, um, as an option for you to click on and go ahead and download anytime, anywhere. I also have an email newsletter where I really go into detail about each service and why a small business owner would need that. Really get close and tell more of my background and my personal story on there. So if you haven't signed up for my email newsletter, what you waiting for? And then I also have those video tutorials, which are available. I put snippets on the Facebook page, but the full length version of the videos, and they're usually not more than 10 minutes for the most part. I know my part 2 of the Twitter tutorial was a bit longer, but because I really start from scratch, really the basic level, to make sure that you really have a strong understanding of each platform or whatever the tutorial is teaching. So the full versions are available on my YouTube page, Pure Genius Solutions YouTube. So search me. Right now I'm under 100 subscribers, so in order for me to get a custom URL so that I could tell you it's youtube.com/ whatever I wanted to say, I have to reach 100 subscribers. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Just type Pure Genius Solutions in the search bar of YouTube. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Hit it again you'll see a little bell icon. That way you'll get notified when I upload a new video. I really enjoy doing those. So go check it out. And then, of course, as we've talked about, what the free resources are that I have available, and then the paid options, the paid services and products that I offer. I want to tell you, how to get started. If you want to work with me, if you want to sit down and just have a conversation, we can do that virtually. You don't have to be in Ohio. That's what's great about the internet. You can do it wherever. We just set that time, and we agree on the time, and then we'll take an hour or so. I get to know more about you, what you want to do with your business, and see if it'll be good for us to work together. So how to sign up? What you would do, you would go to the website, or you can send me a message here on Facebook. You hit the message button and we can set something up, but most likely I'll send you a link to the website even if you do send me a message here on Facebook, unless you're part of my contact list already and I can pull up your information. But what you'll do, you go to the contact tab on the website, schedule a 1, 2, 3 info session. It really helps you get clear on your next steps. A lot of times as a business owner, coming from working for someone else, it's an entirely different world because you are in control of, everything. So, just getting clarity and just knowing, what direction to go, if you should spend money on marketing or not, is huge. So, you want to talk to a marketing expert to make sure you are making the best choice for your business. Each business is different, so I don't give any cookie cutter services. I treat each business as a unique business. So that's really another aspect that I provide. I don't treat you like everybody else. Just tell you, hey, you need this. No, we're going to go over step by step. What's your vision for the company? How you stand out, and where to go from there. If I can't help you, then I will guide you to another company or individual that can. And that's really what any marketing company or any business should do. So you would fill out the contact form, you would submit that, and then we would set aside some time to meet um, for that info session. Like I said, it'll be 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how deep we go into what you're looking to do. And then after that, if I feel like the service that I have to offer can benefit you, then I'll send you over a business proposal and give you a week or so to decide, on the terms. Hopefully you will. And then I'll send you over an agreement. You'll sign that agreement and we'll get started. All right. So I am about to jump off here. Again, I thank you all for taking the time to jump in. I know it's the middle of the day, Oh, I will talk to you all later. Thank you.